Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. Myself Diljit Kaur, your computer teacher, here again with the next video lecture. So, today I will explain you chapter 4, Keys of the Keyboard. So, let's start. So, students, tell me first, if you want to write something on notebook, what you will use? Yes, you will use pencil, pen to write something on the notebook. In the same way, if you want to type something on computer, we need a keyboard. It has 104 keys on it. It has alphabet keys, number keys and special keys. So first I will explain you about alphabet keys. The keys marked with English letters from A to Z are called alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys and they are used to type letters and paragraph. For example, if you want to type your name, you will use alphabet keys. Okay, next, number keys. The keys marked with numbers from 0 to 9 are called number keys and there are 10 number keys. These keys are also known as numeric keypad. It placed at the right side of the keyboard. Next, spacebar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between words and numbers. Next, enter key. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. It is used to move the cursor to the next line or to start next paragraph. Next, arrow keys. The arrow keys are also called cursor control keys because it is used to control the cursor over the screen in up, down, right and left direction on the screen. And there are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Next, caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type letter in the uppercase or capital form. When you press caps lock key, a small green light on the keyboard. It means caps lock key is on and all the letter will be appear in the capital form. But if the light is off, it means caps lock key is off and all the letters will be appear as small letters. Next is shift key. There are 2 shift keys on the keyboard. It is used along with the other keys. For example, many keys have 2 symbols on them. One on the lower part and one on the upper part of the keys. So, shift key is also used to type in capital form. For example, if you want to type your name, you will type first letter of the name is capital. So, you will use shift plus letter. For example, if your name is Aman, so you will press shift plus A. So, A will be capital and rest will be small. Next, control key. It is used in combination with other keys. It helps us to use shortcut keys to do things instead of using mouse. For example, if you want to open new file or new page, we will apply shortcut key, that is Control plus N to open new file or folder. Next is backspace key. It is used to erase or delete wrongly typed letter. It deletes the letter to the left side of the cursor on the screen. Next, delete key. It is used to delete a wrong letter from the right side of the cursor. So student, I hope you understand the chapter. Now, as per instructions, you have to revise the chapter and do back exercise. After that, you can check your answers from the answer key and learn it. So, see you soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.